The next question we have is, draw a labeled diagram of male reproductive system. Now let's make a male reproductive system. First we are going to make urinary bladder here. Then a gland known as prostate gland. This is urethra. Now we are going to make another gland over here, paired gland. This is seminal vesicle. Then we are going to make, first here are the ureters, tubes which conducting urine from the kidney into the urinary bladder, and here we are going to make accessory duct system of male reproductive system here. These are the ducts. Then we are going to make here a pair of testes which is present into the scrotal sac outside the abdomen. Now here next, in this testis we are going to make the compartments which is known as testicular lobules, inside which the seminiferous tubules are present. These seminiferous tubules present inside the testicular lobules will form a fine tube-like structures over here called retitestis. Then this retitestis will convert into a highly coiled longest tube of male reproductive system known as epididymis. Then this epididymis will go and form the tube known as vas deferens here. This is the complete male reproductive system. Now we are going to label this, and here also we have a foreskin like this. Now we are going to label this. This is testis. Now this is retitestis. Retitestis. These are testicular lobules inside which there are 1, 2, 3 seminiferous tubules. So these are testicular lobules. Testicular lobules. This portion, this swollen portion of penis is actually known as glans penis, and of course this is penis. This whole thing is penis. This whole thing is penis. So we can write here, this whole thing is known as penis, which is actually male external genitalia. Then here we can see a bulb-like gland over here. These glands are bulbourethral glands. Bulbourethral glands, also known as Cooper's gland. Then we have another gland here. This is the prostate gland. This is prostate gland. Now these leaf-like structures you can see over here, these paired glands are known as seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. These are glands, of course. This is urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder. Now this tube which is conducting urine from body to outside the body, this tube is known as urethra, and it also conducts sperms from testis and vas deferens, and the sperms will go here like this and comes out through this tube only. So because of the path, following this path, the sperm over here, this is also known as, this tube is also known as urethra. This tube is urethra and also known as urogenital tract, as it is conducting sperms as well as urine. So this tube is known as urethra and urogenital tract. Now let's come towards the duct system. This is retitestis, and this is highly coiled tube of the male reproductive system and the longest tube also. So this tube is known as epididymis. And this tube, which is conducting sperms from the testis to the abdominal cavity, this tube is known as vas deferens. So this is your male reproductive system, and of course here we can see a fold of skin over the penis, which is covering penis partially. So this skin, you can say this skin is foreskin. Now we have completed with the male reproductive system.